Here we are in the Royal BC Museum, and we're celebrating the turning over of the cause books, which are court records, which date from 1897 up until about into the 1980s. And so this is a really interesting moment in BC legal history. It allows the preservation of these records for people to look at, for people to see, and it shows a lot of famous cases that came up over the years in those courts. They were discovered recently in the records of the courts themselves, and the courts have kindly enabled them to be turned over to the archives, and it's just a fantastic new addition to the collection here at the Royal BC Museum and the archives.
As leather degrades, it gets what's called red rot, and so we apply a material called Cellugel, which consolidates the red rot, stops it coming off in your fingers like this.
The government is depositing some very important court records here. These are the court records from the Court of Appeal and from the First Court, so they're complementing collections that are already here. And it means that our role is to make sure things are accessible for all researchers, etc. And so by placing them here, we're actually making them accessible, and in due course making them accessible online for education, outreach, etc.